Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has identified MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.99. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a loss of 84.42%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 2.06% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and declining short-term trend upward. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $1.38, a level that may present a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $3.96 will be the next possible trend top level and thus pose a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -98.6% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -100% to -103.13%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -68.91%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -100% to 674.83% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $4.80. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, "Significant movements in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating by 46.05% between high and low." The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price increased by 17.94% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, rising from 0.526 to 0.620. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 46.05%, moving from a low of 0.515 to a high of 0.752. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of those days, resulting in a decline of 6.06% for this period. However, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 141 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 155 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $95.87 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $228.80, while the lowest was $0.501. Currently, the price is 99.73%, or $228.18, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $14,299.38, below the all-time high recorded on December 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $14,300. MicroAlgo Incorporated has recently made significant advancements in quantum technology, notably integrating the quantum image LSQB algorithm with quantum encryption. This enhancement in security for information transmission positions the company at the forefront of quantum computing applications. Furthermore, the adoption of quantum phase estimation for training quantum neural networks indicates a strong commitment to innovative breakthroughs that could redefine data processing and pattern recognition, critical areas in technology. In addition to these technological strides, MicroAlgo's development of advanced quantum algorithms, such as those for image encryption and edge detection, demonstrates clear potential for new product offerings in real-time image processing and edge intelligence, sectors that are gaining traction. The company also reported a robust financial turnaround, with 2024 showing significant net income and revenue growth, reversing its previous financial losses. In the short term, these developments are likely to attract investor interest, potentially boosting MLGO stock prices as the market reacts positively to signs of innovation and profitability. In the long term, if MicroAlgo can successfully commercialize these technologies and maintain financial growth, it could establish a prominent market position, solidifying overall investor confidence and further propelling stock performance. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 30th, 2025, and so far, it has risen by approximately 21.78%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. MicroAlgo Inc. stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a prevailing sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.18. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at 57 cents. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a dip below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, further strengthening the overall negative trend. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 278 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 52 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 56 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at 612 cents, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, and with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 237 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 46.05%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 16.48%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's briefly examine some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This critical metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a subdued expectation for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $0.633. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a noteworthy level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $0.612. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point with the potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock dates back more than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss set in place. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Incorporated exhibits several negative signals, and we believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of July, we anticipate MicroAlgo will open higher by approximately 9/100ths of a cent and begin trading at 629/1,000ths of a dollar. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.